Stop by and take a look at the 2024 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.